Flamingos. I am going to do, it is Miss Lisa here. I should say, tell you who I am. I am doing a quick tutorial for whatever grown-up is going to help you with this Mama Bird and Babies in the Nest math page. So the first thing I want to talk about is pencil grip. And I have talked about this in other videos, but it's important because every time we do it with the children in the classroom, we review proper pencil grip. So if you're using a flip crayon or just a crayon or a small pencil, whatever you're using, the writing part, the tip of it should be facing you, facing the child. And they're going to use their pinchers that we do all the time, our pointer and our thumb, our pinchers, and they're going to pick it up with their pinchers, and then it flips over to face away from them. And we always say the end of the crayon or whatever you're using, the pencil, sits on Tall Man. So you pick it up, and then it flips away from you with your pinchers and sitting on Tall Man. And if I had two hands to use, not one to record, the helping hand, my left hand, holds the paper down. So they always remember what the helping hand has a job. So the first thing I would encourage them to do is to either write or trace their name on the top, and there should be enough room. And then I would start with the numbers and trace each number. And then I would talk about how many is that, what number is that, and you could count them with your fingers, or if you have some counters, count the number 5 and then count all the ones below. So I would have them trace all the numbers and then move to the other side of the page, the right side, and then count the number of eggs. And you can further this activity by asking how many eggs do you think that there are more than or less than 5 in this nest, and why do they think that? And that can be a hard concept. They can often get more than, but less than can be confusing. So do you think it's more than the number 5? And then when they find the number 5 eggs right here, they want to draw the line from left to right. It's a little hard to do with one hand. And that's just what Miss Daphne said last week, to encourage writing from left to right and reading from left to right. And another thing that you can expand this activity, if you have Play-Doh, they could also make the right number of eggs, so one-on-one correspondence. So since you've counted the 5, and then this is 5 eggs, they could make 5 little Play-Doh eggs and put in the nest. But I hope that they have fun with this, and I'd love to see pictures. Thank you so much.